What's going on, home improvement bitches? Just got off of 4 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. shift, so you'd think I would be Betty by time. No. I'm gonna see what I can do to just level this all off so that when I come through with my lawnmower the next time around, it won't be so bad. Okay, I've leveled 2 panels worth. So it's either a water break or a beer break. Yeah, I'm figuring 2 panels at a time for 1 water break. Alright, I'm 2 hours and some change in, but it's a good time to take a short coffee break. Alright, let's prepare this area for some grass seeding. So with a couple recommendations that I saw on TV as it's advertised, this hydro mousse, I'm going to give this a whirl and see what I can do to kickstart my grass. Alright, this hydro mousse has been applied and it is getting to be sunset. So that means Miller time for this guy. Deuces for now.